If you have ever bought a sewing pattern or watched tutorial in English, you probably saw measure an inch instead of centimeter. But what's the difference? Let me explain it quickly. In most countries in Latin America and Europe, we use the metric system. This means we measure using centimeters and meters. For example, 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. That is why many sewing patterns in this region use centimeters. In countries like the United States and the United Kingdom, people use the imperial system. This system uses inches. 1 inch equals about 2.54 centimeters. That is why many measuring tapes include both systems. Simple conversion: 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. 10 centimeters equals 4 inch. This is useful when working with international sewing patterns. The measurements are the same, only the system shares. Once you understand the conversion, you can work with patterns from anywhere in the world. And remember, in Nicaragua, sewing is not a hobby, it's income. Okay? Bye-bye.